Come on, you're not gonna do it now, huh? Come on, stand up.
She goes, yeah, get out those treats, Mom.
And around, unwind. All right, now I want you to do your stand and twirl. Twirl. Good girl. Down. Down. Oh. All right. You gonna do a bow?